We're gonna do a bottle. I made a printable that is going to go on the bottle down here. I'm gonna cut these out. Okay, so I have this on rice paper. What I'm gonna do is I am going to cut it out like this, because around the edges, I am going to just tear around the edges. That's going to give me a soft edge.
A feathered edge.
Yeah. This gives you some soft edges. See those soft edges? Tear this a little closer. I have done this. Now, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and I'm going to cut the windows out in this. Okay? And I want to do that because ultimately I want to put some fairy lights in my bottle. I have some vintage hymnal paper. We're going to take the hymnal paper and we're going to tear it. Okay, we're going to start with some, this is Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. And I'm doing this on the back of the bottle, okay? So that's the back side, you guys. Now we're gonna move around to the front side. And it's going to have an opening in it. You'll be able to see the music notes in it, and you'll be able to see the lights. So this is what it's going to look like. And put some more of this Posh Chalk Pigment Infuser. And I'm going to start adding these in here. Now this is going to hold these stones. Be the home when God is there. See the bling. Okay, this is going to go around, let's see. A sweet little satin bow. Put it right there. Put him right in the middle of that bow. It's going to be kind of...
You know...
You guys, look at it. I wanted to completely cover those windows so that when they dry, they're going to look like old wavy windows, you guys. And I I have these little things right here that I think I want to add. Are y'all ready for this? I want to add just a few of these little accents. Happy the home when God is there. I hope you guys enjoyed this today.